Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram message not sending. If you're using Instagram and you are not able to send messages, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to internet. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular. So if you are internet connection, you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a first restart or it will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Then wait for your Wi-Fi until it connects. And then you have to try again, open up your Instagram, and here you have to go for messages and try to send messages. Now you can see I can easily send message. Or if you're still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you have to open up your App Store or Google Play Store, and here go for search. You have to simply search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available in your Instagram app, or if you have any update, you have to try to update your app and then retry. Or if you're still having the same issue, open up your settings, go for general, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Or if you are connected to any VPN, try to disconnect and then try again. Or you have to open up your general again, go for iPhone storage and go for Instagram, select offload app. Or if you're on your Android, you have to open the app settings, then go for your storage and cache. Then you have to try to clear storage or cache from your phone. So try offload app. Once you have overloaded, you have to try to reinstall your app. Tap on reinstall option and it will reinstall. So once your app will be reinstalled, you can easily use your DMs or you can easily send a message in your Instagram. So that's how you can easily fix if you are having an issue in your Instagram message sending. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.